Um policial federal morreu e outros 2 ficaram feridos numa grande operação conjunta com a Polícia Civil contra o tráfico de drogas na Bahia. Outras 4 pessoas foram baleadas e morreram.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light.